morning, teacher and friends. My name is Mayrana Rosa. In this opportunity, I present my exposition, living with my community. I have two pictures. In the first picture, snow as a fair with the mechanical games, selling sweet and food. And the second picture, it is like a red or auction garage sale in which all the residents of the community may have collaborate with some object. For me, the best option to like with my community is approaching mechanical games in the park in my city. There will also be food stand and artistic show where members of the community participate, showing the hidden talent such as singing, dancing, television, and among others. The advantage are that both children and adults could have interacting and start friendships. You can also collect money to beautiful and city. The disadvantage, maybe that is a type of event is not liking of the entire community, as well as acquiring mechanical game can be having expensive. But I believe that difficulties can be overcome by talking, wanting to help and everything tours of the extraordinary. Thanks for your attention.